criminal petition. 2019, ED filed an FIR and they arrested me. Today, CBI has registered on 3rd of this month on the Prevention of Corruption Act. Though the state government had given permission very long back, though the Advocate General has said that this is not a fit case for CBI, for the first time in the history of Karnataka politics, against a MLA, former minister, the government has given permission for a CBI case. So they are trying to harass. This will continue. But I have confidence that I have done nothing wrong. No inquiry has been done. Nothing has been there. Today also I could see in the media that morning there was some crores of rupees, 3 crores of cash was being seized. Then again I could see some 50 lakh cash was being seized. I don't know in which premises what is being seized. But as far as me is concerned, where I stay, where I live, about 1,77,000 rupees would have been there. I have a record of Panchanama in my pocket. In my office, where we have some activities for the petty cash and all, I think my staff was having about some 3 lakh and all. Apart from that, nothing belongs to me or my family. Nothing belongs to me or my family. This is the official record which I am telling you. And I was told that the CBI has said that 57 lakhs has been seized. I request them, if it was seized in my premises, I appeal to them. They may release the Panchanama if it was being seized in my house or my family members. This is what I can see. About 14 places connected to me and my friends have been searched. I was told, let them come out with the records. Since I have taken up various cases on the state government, on corruptions on Corona, on the purchase of all the equipments, and since we were fighting against the UPA government and the central government on various issues, I have been harassed. The harassment has been continuing. I will fight it out. I have confidence on the people of Karnataka and the people of this country. All my party leaders, party cadres, and all the common men of the state have been wishing me, praying for me, for my well-being, and they are blessing me. I am sure in the law. I believe in the law of this land. I am sure that I will come out very clean. There is no inquiry since last 30 years against me by the government, any of the government, either by the central government or the state government or any commission. It has proved against me. But after the BJP has come to power, I am getting all these threats and harassment. Anyway, let them do their duty. It is a political will they are trying to establish. We will also fight it in a legal way.
So who all have they named in this new FIR, and since it's a case of disproportionate assets worth 74 crores, what really are they coming after you
What
for?
see, there is no case of disappropriate asset case in anyone in this country by a CBI proving. If anything is there, let they file it. They are filed before the court. I will just fight it out.
Do you think it is a political vendetta against you
Apart
again?
from that, apart from politics, what is there? There is nothing there in politics.
Do you think they have been targeting you only during times of elections, sir?
I said, in all times to come. Earlier also I was in charge of Bihar election. I used to be for 50% of the Bihar. I used to take care. But now I am not going to Bihar since I have my own state elections.
So now there is another FIR, the private FIR, where several benamis have been listed in that FIR as well, and that has been given to the CBI. Now, what about that FIR, sir?
I don't know about it. I don't know anything about it. I know only what FIR. This was shocking that they are. Before filing the FIR, I thought that they will ask me, they will consult with me, they will discuss with me, they will ask my opinion. But they have their will. I think they have done.
Because
Will this derail the preparations for the bipolar, sir?
Pardon?
Will this derail your preparations for the bipolar?
See, you are the better judge to answer all these questions.
So what is the future plan of action from you?
What is the action? There is a law of this land. Injustice should not be flown from the seat of justice. I pray the Lord, who is sitting on the court of justice, to give me justice.
So,
So the
sir, you are
press
all.
release says that there is incriminating evidence that they got through these searches. Have they summoned you again to come? What is
They
the
may
next
summon
course?
me, I don't tell no, they may summon me. They have every right to summon me, and I'll cooperate with them.
Sir, you had approached the High Court on 28th of September and asked them for a stay. But even after that, how could the CBI come forward and question even after you
Say,
had gone
I
to
don't
the-
want to question their right. I can't question the right through media. I can question their right in the land of this, law of this land. I'll question them in the court.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.